In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone as webcam. Alright, let's get started. From your home screen, the first thing we're going to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once Settings is open, I'll scroll down a bit and tap on General, since that's where most of these system level options are located. Now that we're inside General, I'm going to scroll down until I see AirPlay and Continuity and tap on it. This is where Apple has put a bunch of features that help your iPhone work seamlessly with other devices, including your Mac or iPad. Here in AirPlay and Continuity, you'll see an option called Continuity Camera. To use your iPhone as a webcam, all you have to do is turn this toggle on. Once it's enabled, your iPhone can automatically act as a webcam whenever you're on a Mac app that supports it, like Zoom, FaceTime, or QuickTime. And that's pretty much it. After you've turned on continuity camera, you can place your iPhone in a stable position near your computer, and it should show up as a webcam option in the apps that support it. No extra cables or software needed, it's all built into the iPhone and Mac ecosystem. So now you know how to turn on continuity camera and use your iPhone as a webcam for video calls or recordings. It's quick, easy, and makes your iPhone even more versatile.